welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Janae. In today's video, I am going to be doing my unboxing of my December Boxycharm, actually the Boxyluxe. And the Boxyluxe is an upgraded version of the regular Boxycharm box. I am so super excited because this is my first Boxyluxe. So if you're interested in seeing what I received, then keep watching. Okay guys, so before I break the seal on my Boxyluxe box and we can find out together what's in it, I want to talk about the giveaway that I'm doing right now. I'm actually giving away the Best of Boxycharm box. And as you can see here, this box is still sealed up. It's going to stay sealed because I am mailing it out to one lucky winner. And the giveaway is going on from now until December the 21st. So if you're interested in finding out how you can receive this Boxycharm Best of Boxy and what's in this box, I'll make sure that I link my giveaway video down below and you can check it out. And if you're interested, there is still plenty of time to enter. So I'm gonna move this goodie box over to the side. Okay guys, I'm so excited. So let's find out what is in this Boxyluxe. Okay, I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself because I am so excited to find out what's in it. Let me tell you a little bit about Boxycharm in case you do not know. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. And what makes this box so cool and so awesome is that it is $21 a month, but you are receiving over $100 worth of high-end beauty products. It includes a makeup, skincare, color cosmetics, and beauty tools. And normally just one item in the box is worth more than $21, so the box more than pays for itself every single month. So what this is, the Boxyluxe, is an upgraded version of the traditional Boxycharm. The Boxyluxe value is always over $250, but the cost of the Boxyluxe is $28.99. So you're gonna pay your $21 for your normal subscription and then an additional $28.99, but you're still getting over $250 worth of products. It is a steal. And the Boxyluxe is a special treat because it only comes out 4 times a year every single quarter. I believe it comes out in December, and then March, June, September, and like I said, December. So you cannot beat that. And this upgraded box is only available every quarter, so only 4 times a year. And this is my very first Boxyluxe box. And I am so super excited, so I cannot wait any longer. I want to find out what is in this box. So I have my scissors right here and I am ready to open it up. Let's see what we have. And while I'm opening this box, I also want to let you know that Boxycharm is like most monthly subscriptions. You can cancel at any time with no penalty. But this box is so awesome, I do not know why anyone would want to actually cancel it. I've been subscribed to this subscription since July, and every box just keeps getting better and better. Let me see guys, let me get into this box so we can get started. Okay, so let me open him up. Open him up, and here he is in all of his glory. Guys, let's get started. So this is huge. I'm not used to seeing it this big. So what this is, every Boxycharm comes with a pamphlet, and inside of the pamphlet it has a theme, and this theme is "'Tis the Season." S-E-A-S-U-N. Oh, it's so super cute. There it is right there. And then it tells me what is included inside of my box and the actual cost of everything. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna dive right into the box and start pulling the things out, and then I'll find the corresponding item as we go. Okay, the first thing I pull out is this item here, and it says on here, it's a girl's world. Oh my goodness, it's a flat iron, guys. Yeah, let's open this. Oh, it has a nice little cover here. Oh, look. Wow, this is so nice. I don't even have a flat iron this small. Of course, I'm a natural girl and I don't flat iron my hair, but maybe 3 or 4 times a year. But this will be very good for getting that bang area. Let me see if I can find it on here. The mini hair straightener. It says, get those pesky baby hairs, straighten those bangs, or touch up your curls on the go with this incredibly adorable mini straightener. Guys, the retail value of this straightener is actually $75. The box says more than already paid for itself just with the first item. I am so excited. Now, this is the first time that I've ever received a hair tool inside of my box. So this is what you get when you upgrade. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh man, so super excited. I'm just gonna keep going because I am just like so excited. Okay, the next thing I pull out is this. Let's see what this is. Merry Christmas to me. Oh, cute. It says Glam AF. And looks like there's something inside of here. Oh, it's just open it up, see what it is. Something that involves a charger. Apparently I'm not good at figuring out what stuff is. What is this? Okay. So it says it's a wristlet and portable charger. So this is an ultimate beauty bag, and this is also a portable charger that's compatible with iPhone and Android. And this retails for $22 for the bag and then the portable charger. Merry Christmas to me. I love this. This Glam AF bag, oh my gosh, it is so freaking cute, guys. I am in love so far, and the goodies, they keep coming. So let's keep going. Okay, so the next thing I pulled out is from Wonder Beauty. And it says that it's a blush and highlighter palette. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, and it has a mirror. And then, let's see if you can see those colors right there. Really very beautiful. It says that this palette, the Boxycharm exclusive launch, contains 3 buttery shades that blend seamlessly into the skin for a natural glowing finish. And this one retails for $26. So nice. I need to definitely add to my blush collection, so I am super thrilled and excited to get this. Let's keep going, right? Okay, the next thing I'll pull out, this. It says that it is a body wash infused buffer. I've never had anything like this. Let's find it. It says body wash infused buffers will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. Wow. And it says that this one retails for $20. Cannot wait to take a shower and try this out. Let's keep going. Okay, this is Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. And this one, clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. And this one retails for $89. Wow. This box has already paid for itself like 5 times over, and I am in love. I have never tried anything from this brand, Elemis. So I am super, super, super excited to try this one out. Okay. And let's keep going. So they put this little foam in here to protect. Okay, the next thing I see is this. Focus. Over here. Mascara. So this is the Lorac Pro Pomade Mascara. And this one says increase thickness, shine, curl, and link to your lashes. This one retails for $24. I definitely like the brush on this. Nice and thick. I cannot wait to try this mascara out. You can really honestly never have too much mascara. And guess what? There's still more. I can't believe it. This box is just freaking amazing. The next thing I pull out is by Tarte, and it's a shimmering lip paint. Okay. And the color that I received is called Strike Gold. I'm just gonna open it up really, really quickly. Oh, that is so pretty, guys. I'm just gonna swatch it. I don't know if you can see that there. So it's just like a soft gold. I'm actually getting ready to put some on. It looks like it's more of a lip topper and not necessarily a lipstick. So let me just see. It smells so good. It actually, I can't decide if it smells like coffee or like cake batter. I know they seem like they're two opposite things, but it definitely has like a sweet and sugary smell. And it, I don't know if you can tell, but it added like a nice little shimmer to my lip. Yay! Can never have too much lip gloss. Okay, this one, it says, oh, this sheer gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious and high shine finishing gloss, and it retails for $20. And guys, we're not done yet. There's more. A couple more things. This is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadows. Guys, this palette is huge. I think I'm gonna need my scissors to get in it because it's sealed up. And I want to say that a lot of my Boxycharms, I do get an eyeshadow palette with it. This is the biggest one that I've received, and I am so excited to see what these colors look like. These things look pretty good. Got to use all my strength to get them out. Ow, finally. Let me take a look at it. So here this is right here. And then we have color. Guys, this palette is so beautiful. Look at this palette and the mattes and beautiful shimmers. Perfect for the holidays, guys. Look at this palette. I'll show you what we have. This says, indulge in 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging to finish from creamy matte to bold metallic and silky satin. This one actually retails for $45. This is so beautiful. Okay guys, and last but certainly not least, we have some Luxie brushes. And guys, I am so super excited because I can honestly say that since I've subscribed to Boxycharm, my brush set has grown immensely. It's almost like in every single box they give you some type of brushes, and this is the biggest one I've received, and it is... Okay, let's hear a little bit more about this brush set. This is the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. It says, get a flawless look with your new cruelty-free Luxie brushes. This brush set has every brush you need to create a full face look, and this one retails for $65. And I love the color of these brushes. Okay guys, so that is gonna wrap up this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some love in the comments down below, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.